Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing some math problems. So here what it says. Ella buys 17 cookies, so circle 17. And so this is 𝓀𝓪𝓵𝓱, and also I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this trick. So it says Ella buys 17 cookies. She gets 10 more, so circle 10. We need that problem. 10 more. What we can learn about more things. How we can solve. What we can do. How many did she get? Oh my god. How many did she get? So we're going to solve the problem. How many did she get? So I guess we're gonna have to use addition for this problem. So the addition problem is so we're gonna keep this in our brain power, I guess. Brain power? So we're gonna keep this in our brain power. But I don't think. Alright. 17. Alright, so we have 17. So we got 17. Oh, it's 17, like in half, I guess. So let me erase that part. Okay. So 17 plus. And let's add the special number. 17 plus 10. 10, it should be a special number. And the equal sign should be yellow. So we do not want to solve that right now. But first things first. We got to see the problem. So so we're gonna have to solve the 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 originally equals to 10. But that's changed because actually we have columns. So the black line, see here, that will be the columns. So it means like we could split up things. So how much more we get? Okay, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. You see how we had it 1 and 1? So 1 plus 1. Let's add 1 plus 1 equals to 2. I don't know what was that, but solve equals to 1. Okay, but that was supposed to be the plus sign. I don't know why, but alright. So we're going to get the plus sign. What are we going to get? Are we going to get a right answer or not get tricked? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So, no. I already know what 1 plus 1 is. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So 2 goes down here. And 0 plus 7, well, that's okay. Because 7 plus 0 equals to still to 7. So that means, hold on, we're going to look in the calculator to see if it's right or not. Alright, so 17 plus 10 equals to 27. I knew I was going to put the 7 there, but yeah. So I'm going to put the 7 there, which means 27. Ooh, we're the nerdy genius classroom. And also, I go to Gompers now, and my name is 𝓀𝓪𝓵, like I said before. So I need you to understand the whole. Okay, so now we did the problem. We're going to do problem 2 sooner or later. So I will see you guys next time. Remember, add 2-digit numbers. Hold on. If you guys don't know, like I said before, if we have, look, oh my god, this is too big. Okay. So, if we have 17 cookies, and we get more cookies, and we get 10 cookies, that will equal to 20. No. That will be equal to, guess what? That will be equal to 27. You know how? Because 10 plus 10 equals to 20, unfortunately. And if we have to do, and also, hold on. So, look. Let me start all over again. Sorry, I got this YouTube notification. Look, so if we do 17 plus 10 equals some number, that is equals to 27 here. So that means we are going to use 27 as our number. Okay, so 27, it's our answer. But you know how we got the answer? Because if we do 10 plus 10, that'll be equal to 20. And also if it's equals to 20, that means that's the answer. So if we put 20 plus 7, that'll be equal to 20. That'll be equal to 27. And the answer will be the 27. So that's gonna get you that answer. So now we understand the whole problem, how to add a digit at numbers. So now we're going to erase. And remember, if you guys want to do part 2 of this, you can. Unfortunately, it'll be a different person. So bye, y'all.